Escute as frases e as repita em seguida. Esse exercício vai te fazer evoluir rapidamente no inglês. As frases estão divididas em tópicos. Se achar que a velocidade está rápida ou lenta, você pode aumentar a velocidade da reprodução nas configurações do vídeo. Vamos praticar.
1. Daily routine. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I'm going to take a shower. I'm going to take a shower. We always eat dinner together. We always eat dinner together. I need to clean my room. I need to clean my room. I'm going to the store. I'm going to the store. I'm going to work now. I'm going to work now. It's time to go to bed. It's time to go to bed. I have a lot of homework. I have a lot of homework. I'm waiting for the bus. I'm waiting for the bus. The bus is always late. The bus is always late. 2. Family and friends. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Do you have any brothers or sisters? My parents are very kind. My parents are very kind. She has 2 younger brothers. She has 2 younger brothers. I'm going to call my friend. I'm going to call my friend. Are you coming to the party? Are you coming to the party? Let's meet at the coffee shop. Let's meet at the coffee shop. We are cleaning the house. We are cleaning the house. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Don't be late. Don't be late. 3. Work and study. He works in a hospital. He works in a hospital. She is studying for her exam. She is studying for her exam. I need to study for my test. I need to study for my test. I'm learning English online. I'm learning English online. I don't understand what you mean. I don't understand what you mean. How do you say this in English? How do you say this in English? Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question? He always forgets his keys. He always forgets his keys. Do you like watching movies? Do you like watching movies? What do you do on weekends? What do you do on weekends? 4. Food and drink. She doesn't like coffee. She doesn't like coffee. This restaurant has great food. This restaurant has great food. Do you want something to drink? Do you want something to drink? The food smells delicious. The food smells delicious. I need a glass of water. I need a glass of water. She doesn't eat meat. She doesn't eat meat. We are eating lunch now. We are eating lunch now. I forgot my phone at home. I forgot my phone at home. My phone battery is low. My phone battery is low. The water is too cold. The water is too cold. 5. Feelings and opinions. I really like your jacket. I really like your jacket. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. That sounds like a great idea. That sounds like a great idea. I love listening to music. I love listening to music. This book is really interesting. This book is really interesting. I think it's going to rain. I think it's going to rain. I'm not feeling very well today. I'm not feeling very well today. He is afraid of spiders. He is afraid of spiders. This movie is really boring. This movie is really boring. That's a nice idea. That's a nice idea. 6. Describing people. She is very friendly and funny. She is very friendly and funny. He doesn't speak Spanish. He doesn't speak Spanish. She's talking on the phone. She's talking on the phone. He is playing video games. He is playing video games. She is good at dancing. She is good at dancing. I like your haircut. I like your haircut. He needs to buy a new phone. He needs to buy a new phone. She wants to be a doctor. She wants to be a doctor. My car is in the garage. My car is in the garage. My feet hurt. My feet hurt. 7. Places and directions. They live in a small apartment. They live in a small apartment. We are going to the beach tomorrow. We are going to the beach tomorrow. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. The store is already closed. The store is already closed. I want to go home. I want to go home. We're planning a trip to Italy. We're planning a trip to Italy. Turn off the lights, please. Turn off the lights, please. The internet is not working. The internet is not working. I lost my wallet. I lost my wallet. I'll be there in 5 minutes. I'll be there in 5 minutes. 8. Weather and time. The weather is very nice today. The weather is very nice today. It's too hot in here. It's too hot in here. I didn't sleep well last night. I didn't sleep well last night. Are you free this evening? Are you free this evening? She's wearing a beautiful dress. She's wearing a beautiful dress. What time do you usually eat dinner? What time do you usually eat dinner? The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. Don't forget your umbrella. Don't forget your umbrella. He is studying for his exam. He is studying for his exam. This movie is really boring. This movie is really boring.
Não se esqueça de curtir, se inscrever no canal e compartilhar para ajudar mais pessoas a evoluírem no inglês. Até o próximo vídeo.